Marking the launch of Mental Health Awareness Month of May, Carol Hamel, Egypt's first art psychotherapist and AUC's alumni, offered an art therapy workshop for the AUC community during the assembly hours.
If you don't want to use them wrapped, you can break them into half. You can peel them and actually use the whole side of the pastel. Today was the launch of Mental Health Awareness Month at AUC, which is the US Mental Health Awareness. And we had an art therapy activity to launch the event today. The topic was expressing yourself using art. So you express yourself by creating a symbol that represents who you are. That symbol being either a complex symbol with a multitude of visual elements together, or just a symbol that you already know and expressed. No art skills necessary, of course. So I think a lot of them come expecting to have fun, which definitely happens in any art therapy sessions anyway. I think they probably didn't expect much of the interaction that took place with everyone. I was actually very specific about the setting, so having the tables, round tables, and different ones so that they can interact together. That was a big part of what we wanted to have. So I don't think they saw too much of it coming. They just came. Some I know come for extra credit, and then they end up actually enjoying the process and learning something.
Attendees were greeted by a variety of materials and colors. Each participant was encouraged to choose the materials that spoke to them.
So I'm an AUC alum to start with, so I had an art degree here. I'm actually one of the first few graduates of that art program at AUC. And then I pursued my master's in art psychotherapy, and that's at Drexel University in Philadelphia. So I had a semi-minor in psych here at AUC. I just had 2 courses that I lacked, and so I did those as non-degree first before applying to my master's. I chose Drexel because originally this was the Hahnemann program. Now the Hahnemann program is actually the first graduate art therapy program in the world. It started in 1967. So I wanted that kind of credibility. Art therapy didn't exist in Egypt, and if it did, it was on that scale of an art activity that we call art therapy, but it wasn't really art therapy. So I wanted to go to that school that started it all. I had great professors. Many of them are actually founders of the field and founders of some assessments and techniques. So it's actually really cool. It's almost like you went to study with Freud. This is a mental health profession that requires proper training. Same with medicine. You can't have a doctor that didn't go to med school. Unfortunately, because of the idea of using art combined with psychology, a lot of it think it's almost like pseudoscience. So they kind of think that, oh, we'll just grab that course or take that training and I'm an art therapist, and so falsely claim that they're art therapists. Now, because we know that art therapy or art making in general expresses your unconscious automatically, like it is an automatic outlet for your unconscious. If you don't know how to regulate that, and if you don't know how to deal with that after it's out, you may cause more harm than good. And that's my problem and every certified art therapist problem with people who are unqualified.
The positive reactions demonstrate the importance and need for more events like this to raise awareness and promote mental health in a fun and engaging ways. Nour, Amin, AUCTV, Cairo.